Alright, great, come on. Run to the fire, quick. To rewild yourself in nature, that's what you're gonna say. Rewild yourself in nature. 3, 2, 1.
To rewild yourself in nature.
Rewild yourself in nature.
Rewild yourself in nature.
Project Rewild is great because kids get to run around and be free in nature and wild.
Project Rewild, the perfect place to be. Rewild yourself in nature.
In Project Rewild, we play lots of games.
Give me another chance, I didn't meant to say that.
And we like fires. Way! Yay! I'm the princess of the forest. Abracadabra. Project Rewild is so fun. Yeah! Here we're cooking onions, carrots and potatoes. Yeah, to make a yummy soup.
And now you stand together and hug. In Project Rewild, we get to do stuff that we don't normally get to do at home. Number 1, we don't really get to build arches, and we don't get to climb trees.
Don't worry. I'll get up and try again. Yay! Yay!
At Project Rewild, they all work together.
What's wrong? I just feel a bit left out. Oh, don't worry, we'll push on this way. Open it. I'll help. Yay, we succeeded. Project Rewild, it's so fun. It became a second home to me. I never want to leave.
And now you lay down.
The only downside of the world is that there's loads of pollution. Already people are starting to cut down trees. Soon robots will come to live with us. Please help.
Jay's Ruby Dawn.
We are a tribe. As one, we can snap. A tribe together, we don't snap.
Perfect. Smile.
I'm going to read